Hello, my name is Wayne, and in this quick tutorial video, I will show you how to stop time in Unreal Engine 5. The first step is to open your player blueprint and create an input action. I am going to use the key E for this. Drag from action pressed and create a flip-flop. After that, drag from A and create a set global time dilation. In the time dilation, set the number that I wrote. Now drag from set global time dilation and create a delay, again with the number that I wrote. Okay, now we will create a get player pawn. Drag from that and create a set custom time dilation connected with the delay, and set the custom time dilation number to 10,100. Now just copy the set global time dilation connected with the flip-flop and rewrite the time dilation number to 1. Now copy the set custom time dilation pasted next to the set global time dilation and connect it. After that, set the custom time dilation number to 1. And that's all we need to do. Now we're going to test it to see if it's working as we want. Yeah, that is looking pretty good. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, I will be happy if you subscribe to this YouTube channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.